today is Saturday. I am on my way to work. I almost finished For the Wolf. Almost. I think I only have to read like maybe 10 or 20 pages. So I was kind of bound to go to work today because I really just wanted to finish the book. It is actually pretty good and it might let you topple over, but so far so good. Okay, the camera survived. No, so I only have to read about 10, maybe 20 pages, and I have to say it took me a while to get in the book, but now it's coming to an end. I'm actually a bit bummed about it, because it's actually pretty good. It's the sort of retelling that you like, with the villains and the heroes and the love interest, and it's just actually pretty good. Now, I'm not going to talk about the book right now because I am driving, obviously, and I also want to read the ending first and see whether or not the ending is actually worth giving this book 4 stars, which I'm currently leaning to giving it 4 stars. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. So I'm now going to work. I have to work from 10 till 5, normally till 6, but on Saturdays I only work till 5. And afterwards I'm probably going to swim a few laps and then head home, have dinner, and go further in Daughter of the Moon Goddess, because that's the next book on the reading list. And if I don't read Daughter of the Moon Goddess, I'm actually also thinking about reading Crescent City, or shit. Well, that was a fail. So I'm actually thinking of reading next either Daughter of the Moon Goddess, which I have started a few pages in, but nothing too far. Or I'm going to start Crescent City, the second book, or I'm going to restart The Last Witch Doctor, which is also an option because you see, I really need some sort of tripod for my camera because this really isn't a good option. Also with the bad angles, it's not really helping, so but those are a few of my options. I'm not sure yet. I will see when I get to that point. I first will finish this book and then I will read the next one. Talk to you guys later. Just got home from grocery shopping. I just put on Jody, which is why it's pretty loud. So we put it down a little bit, and I went to do some grocery shopping, as you guys can see. More over there. So best to start cleaning this up right away because otherwise it's going to be a mess. Also have to sort my fridge out because it is a bit embarrassing the way it looks. I have a few things that I need to throw out, so let's start with that. So this is Luna. Luna is a sweet little Maltese dog, and she doesn't really like her feet to be touched, so I had to be a bit more gentle with her. For the rest, she was getting a pretty fluffy haircut. Her parents, I call them parents, her dog owners wanted to have her a little bit more fluffy this time, so that's what we do. She is by any means not perfectly groomed because she doesn't sit still as much as I would like to, but for overall she is such a good girl. So you can see she is pretty happy with all the attention when she gets it. So yeah. So this day I was feeling really rough. I had a really bad morning, and she was my second customer because the first one didn't show up, which will be explained later. She didn't want me to shave out her matting. She was just too happy and wanted to give me kisses all the time, so she did brighten my day. Thank you for that, little love. Thank you. So I'm about to have sushi in my car because I am hungry, I am angry, sad, all that stuff. I am really... At some point today I was thinking about quitting dog grooming because I have had enough of customers just not showing up or not letting me know they are not coming. I mean, everybody I can forget an appointment, but still, just send me a text, let me know something, anything. And lately, a lot more customers have been forgetting their appointments, and you know, for me, this is my income, this is my money. I have to pay, well, everything with this, so it does suck. Well, not everything, because I also work part-time somewhere else, but still, from just a part-time job, one cannot survive anymore these days because everything has gotten so expensive. So yeah, I'm actually really sad at the moment. Especially since I try to put as much customers in one day as possible, and I just had enough today, so I had a little mental breakdown. But at least we got where we wanted. I had another dog after the one that did not show up. So yesterday, one of my customers did not show up, even though I'd sent them a reminder the day before. And he had read the reminder, he responded to the reminder, so he knew he had an appointment, still didn't show up. So I put something on Facebook in which I said, listen, it's not okay if you don't show up. You will have to pay the entire grooming appointment. If you don't cancel 24 hours in advance, you will have to pay at least half of the appointment. And then some Karen kinda was like, yeah, and it's not according to the law, and you cannot do this. And I was like, listen, my grooming salon, my rules, so if I say you have to pay this before making a new appointment, and if you don't want to pay, then you can just fuck off and go somewhere else, because I have had my share of rude customers, annoying customers, and customers that don't show up. But yeah, so that was one part of the day yesterday and today. And so I was already frustrated this morning when I saw that comment on Facebook. And then at 9 o'clock, normally my first customer was about to come, and it was 9 o'clock and there was nobody there. So a few minutes after, I texted her, are you on your way, or where are you? And she said, I groomed her at home, I'm not coming. I totally forgot to text you. Well, that might be the case, and she might have forgotten. I'm still there, sitting there without a customer, without an income, waiting for her, not knowing if she's going to come or not being able to ask the next customer if she wants to come earlier or something. So I'm just sitting there like a dumbass waiting for her. Luckily I had the sense to text her, because otherwise I would have been, well, I was pissed already. So, but like 2 days in a row customers did not show up. So I started crying. I was really frustrated and really annoyed, and so I am now buying myself some sushi. I just went for the Californian roll. Normally I buy the small packages, but they only had this big one, so let's see if I can finish this. And for drink, I'm having the other Baja Breeze, which is a tropical juice. I love the packaging. And it's non-carbonated, so we'll see. Talk to you guys later. I'm going to end the vlog here. This wasn't my best vlogging week. It was a really difficult week for me because I had a little breakdown. I'm hoping this week that will come will be a bit better, so we'll see how it goes. I will talk to you guys in the next vlog. Bye.